Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. On today's episode, I wanted to try something a little bit different. I'm a natural girl, I work from home, and I needed a new hairstyle, you guys. Hopping on Zooms and all that good stuff, yes. So if you like what you see so far, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we're gonna be right back.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind with flow. Hold me till I scream or breathe. And wash me over until
Welcome back. So again, I wanted to try something a little bit different. This year I will be diving into more of the natural hairstyles because your girl is tired of wearing wigs and plopping them on and plopping them off just to get ready for work. Some days I just want to be able to get up, go to the store, or go and start my weekend without having to do my hair. So I did pre-part my hair off camera. As you guys can see, I have it braided in the back because it is crochet back there. And I did do some feed-in braids on myself. You guys, I am not a pro braider. I used to be very, very good at it when I was in high school. But I guess I got sick of doing hair. And I started doing the wig. So yeah, in college and in high school, doing hair was my thing. I used to do my friends' hair, and I actually had a couple clients, but hair was not something that I wanted to do as a career. So yeah, here you have it. So this is actually my first time being successful with these feed-in braids. I'm not a pro at it, so please don't come for me. But yes, there are several videos out there that will show you how to do feed-in braids, but I am not a pro, and I was surprised that I even made it this far. So I finished up the other side off camera. You guys, I needed to make sure what I was doing was good enough. I'm very, very picky about partings and things like that when I do my hair. So yeah, I just needed to make sure it looked at least halfway decent. So I'm a natural girl again. I want to share my hair journey with you guys. I honestly can't wait to do that. But I don't know. I think I want my hair to get to a certain length, and then I'll be like, okay, this is what I use. This is what I do. But in the meantime, here are a couple photos of how my hair used to look. But yeah, I feel like I'm taking very good care of it, and it is healthy. So as you guys can see, I'm using my even edge control just to make the parting space, a lot more neater. I did do the first half of this braid off camera because, first of all, I actually put my hair in two ponytails, and I was looking at it. I was like, something is missing. This is not the hairstyle I wanted. Then I realized, I forgot the braid. So I did that off camera, and I have a ton of edge control in my hair already. So as you guys can see, so it was just easier to part that way. I really do like evens. I almost wanted to say even lace tint because that's what I use in my wig videos. But I really do like their edge control, especially for my hair texture. I feel like that's honestly the best edge control that I've ever used on my hair, and it actually holds all day. In the past, there have been several edge controls that do not hold. So yes, even edge control in the green bottle is my favorite. And I will say that I didn't have as hard of a time braiding my hair like this, because again, I wasn't braiding it backwards, as you guys can see on the sides. But feed-in braids aren't that bad once you actually get the hang of it. I can see why people, you know, had that pointer now on their pinky. But yeah, I had a pretty smooth process, so I was happy. Now that I had finished up all the braids, I did go in and tighten up my ponytails, and I wrapped that extra braid around, and now it's time for the crochet. So I got the Golden Tree brand in Ocean Wave in the color 2. I just got this from a local hair store, you guys. I actually never even heard of them. But yeah, I just grabbed it. That was like honestly the cheapest one. For some reason, crochet hair is a little bit expensive, and I was like, what's going on? It's synthetic hair. Why does it cost this much? So all I did was loop it in and put it through, and that was it. I know that sometimes people like tie it. Honestly, you guys, I tried to tie it and it wasn't, like, it didn't stay. It stayed more secure when I just looped it through and I crossed it through the hole. That's literally it. Yeah, tying it actually made it loose. So I had decided not to do that, but I just went through the entire back of my head and just crocheted it all the way up to the top. I do feel like that top braid does help right there. It does help, so keep that in mind as well. It was good for me to be able to blend. It was good for me to be able to blend the crochet and like my hair. So I also went in and crocheted a little bit of the hair in my ponytails, just a couple. I want to say maybe about 4 or 5, and then I brushed them out, and then I just wrapped them around, and that's how I made my 2 little puff balls. So this is the final reveal. It is so cute, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I did have some wooden beads in my hair tray, so I added those on. And yeah, I am loving this hairstyle. I was actually getting dressed. My husband and I were going to a cooking class to have a nice little fun date. But yeah, guys, I want to do more videos like this, so I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time. Namaste.